Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical guide on how to withdraw USDT from OKX to your Gcash account in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to cash out quickly and securely, this video is for you. USDT is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a favorite for transfers, and with OKX being one of the top exchanges, we'll make this process straightforward. First things first, before we get started, make sure you have a few essentials in place. You'll need a verified OKX account, some USDT in your wallet, and a Gcash account linked to your Philippine mobile number. Also, keep an eye on any 2025 updates. Exchanges like OKX might have new features for faster withdrawals. Let's jump right into the steps. Step 1. Log into your OKX account using your email, phone, or whatever method you set up. Once you're in, head over to the Assets or Wallet section and select USDT from your holdings. Step 2. Navigate to the withdrawal page. Look for the Withdraw button, usually at the top or in the Assets menu. Here, you'll choose USDT as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Enter the amount you're withdrawing. Remember, there might be minimum limits and fees, so double-check those. Step 3. For the destination, select Gcash from the available options. In 2025, OKX has streamlined this with direct fiat gateways, but if it's not showing up, you might need to use an intermediary like a partnered bank or exchange. Input your Gcash account details carefully, like your mobile number or reference ID, to avoid any errors. Step 4. Review everything on the confirmation page. This includes the amount, fees, and estimated arrival time. OKX often requires two-factor authentication here for security, so have that ready. Once you're good, hit confirm, and your withdrawal will be processed, typically within 15 to 30 minutes, depending on network congestion. A quick word of caution. Always withdraw to a test amount first to ensure everything works smoothly. Watch out for any new regulations in 2025 that might affect crypto transfers in the Philippines. And never share your private keys or account details. There you have it, folks. You've now withdrawn USDT from OKX to Gcash like a pro. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.